Welcome to our channel. Rock Space AX1800 Router Setup Troubleshooting Guide. Unbox and prepare the device. Carefully take out the Rock Space AX1800 router and all included accessories from the box. Place the router in a central, elevated, and open location in your home for maximum Wi-Fi coverage and minimal signal interference. Power on the router properly. Connect the power adapter to your Rock Space AX1800 router, plug it into a wall outlet, and switch it on. Wait for the power indicator light to turn solid, which means the router is fully powered up and ready for setup. Connect the router to your modem. Using the provided Ethernet cable, plug one end into your modem's LAN port and the other into the router's WAN Internet port. This connection will allow your router to distribute internet from your modem to all your devices. Access the router's setup interface on your computer or mobile device. Connect to the router's default Wi-Fi name, SSID, printed on the back label. Open a web browser and type 192.168.0.1 or http://re.rockspace.local to enter the setup page. Set up your Wi-Fi network. Inside the setup page, choose a unique Wi-Fi network name and create a strong, secure password. This step is important to protect your connection from unauthorized access and improve overall security. Keep the firmware updated. Check for any available firmware updates in the admin panel and install them immediately. Updating the firmware regularly ensures better performance, enhanced features, and protection from potential security threats. Confirm the internet is working. Once setup is complete, connect your smartphone, laptop, or tablet to the new Wi-Fi network and try opening a few websites. This will confirm that your router is connected to the internet and functioning correctly. Fixing no internet problems. If there's no internet access, restart both the router and modem, double-check all cable connections, and confirm that your internet service provider is not facing an outage in your area. Improving Wi-Fi signal strength. For weak Wi-Fi coverage, try moving the router to a higher position or more open spot in your home. Avoid placing it near thick walls, large appliances, or metal surfaces, as these can block and weaken the signal. Boosting speed. Network stability. If your internet feels slow, disconnect devices that are not in use, adjust Wi-Fi channels in the router's settings, and reduce interference from other nearby networks. Adding a Wi-Fi repeater or mesh system can also help maintain consistent speeds across your home. Thank you for watching.